Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit vectors in Figma. This is incredibly useful when you need to customize shapes, adjust existing designs, or create unique graphics directly within your project. Let's dive right in and explore the different ways you can modify vectors to match your creative vision. First, you'll want to open your Figma application. Once you've launched it, go ahead and open the file or project where your vector is located. This could be an existing design you're working on or a new project where you've imported or created vector elements. Make sure you've selected the right file so you can access the vector you want to edit. Now let's start with the basics of vector editing. The first thing you can modify on your vector is the fill and stroke. These are fundamental elements that define how your vector looks. To begin editing, double-click on the vector. When you do this, you'll notice that the editor tool appears at the bottom of your screen. This toolbar gives you access to various editing options specifically designed for working with vectors. Click on Paint to add a fill to your vector. The fill is essentially the color that appears inside your shape. You can adjust the color by clicking on the color picker and selecting any shade you like. This flexibility allows you to match your vector to your design's color scheme perfectly. Additionally, you can adjust the stroke color, which is the outline of your vector. You'll also see an option to modify the stroke weight, which controls how thick or thin that outline appears. Play around with these settings until you achieve the look you're going for. Next, let's explore the Bend tool. Click on Bend from the editor toolbar, then drag it onto your vector. This action will add a bend to your vector, allowing you to create curves and flowing shapes that aren't possible with standard straight edges. This tool is particularly useful when you want to add organic, smooth curves to geometric shapes. Another powerful feature is the Cut tool. Click on Cut, then click directly on your vector where you want to make a division. This will add a cut to your vector, essentially splitting it into separate segments. This is incredibly handy when you need to remove portions of a shape or create more complex designs by breaking vectors into manageable pieces. If you need more control over your vector's shape, you can add additional points. Click on the Pen tool from the toolbar. With the Pen tool active, you can click anywhere along your vector's path to add more anchor points. These points give you greater flexibility to reshape and refine your vector exactly how you envision it. Each point can be moved and adjusted independently, allowing for precise customization. And that's it. You've now learned the essential techniques for editing vectors in Figma, from adjusting fills and strokes to adding bends, cuts, and anchor points. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.